Hi everyone, Eric Thies here, and I'm just about to grill on my new Power Grill. This is an amazing indoor grill, and it's a great value here at Sam's Club. What makes this grill really stand out is the breakthrough smoke extraction technology. It's designed to eliminate the smoke, so it's perfect indoors because it won't set off the smoke detector or leave your kitchen filled with a smoky, smelly haze. Great food always tastes better when you cook it on the grill. And Sam's Club Members Mark foods are great for grilling with the Power Grill, so let's get started. All right, you know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna make a little Chipotle rub chicken with a corn salsa on the Power Grill. It's gonna be easy, fun, and fresh. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rub my chicken with some cumin and some salt and some pepper, and then I'm gonna rub a little Chipotle paste over it, and that's it. We're gonna grill it up, and then I'm gonna show you how to make a quick corn salsa right on the Power Grill. So the corn that I grilled earlier is done. I took the corn off. I'm letting my chicken finish cooking. Look, it's looking great. So now after you grill the corn, just take a knife and just cut the kernels off, just like this. Because we want that fresh grilled corn taste in our corn salsa. Oh man, nothing smells like summer than grilled corn. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in some lime juice, some tomatoes, some jalapenos, salt and pepper, some fun colored peppers. We're gonna do a little cilantro, onion. I'm gonna put a little cumin in here too, because we wanna give it a little bit of that grilled Mexican flavor. So it's just that easy. You wanna let it marinate for about an hour in the fridge. That's it. Let your chicken finish cooking, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna plate the corn salsa on a nice pretty plate. Look at that, doesn't that look good? It's so fresh, you can smell it. The cilantro smells great. Now we're gonna hit it with a little bit more herb right here. Now, my chicken is done. Oh, look how good my chicken looks. It smells fantastic. Practically no smoke. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're just simply gonna plate the chicken right on top of the corn salsa, and then we're gonna garnish it up, make it look pretty. So what's great about this is it's full flavor, but it's really, really healthy because it's so low in fat. Corn is fantastic. The chicken, it's white meat chicken, virtually fat-free. Of course, there's a little bit of skin on there, but you know what I love about the skin when you grill it? It's easy to take off if you don't like it. I love it because I love the flavor. Now, I like to put a little extra lime juice on top of the chicken. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna finish it off with some really pretty large cilantro leaves. When you finish up the platter like this, it doesn't take a lot of extra effort, but man, does it look so much prettier when you just take the extra time, do a little garnish or two. A little Chipotle grilled chicken, a corn salsa, all grilled on the Power Grill. Almost no smoke. And look at that healthy and delicious dinner. Grilled virtually smokeless indoors with outdoor results. Check out this great Power Grill value here at Sam's Club.